Question 9 of the UTME 2018 Physics Past Question, that is your Jamb 2018 exams. It says a narrow beam of white light can be splitted up. This should be splitted up into different colors by a glass prism. The correct explanation is that, okay, so A says white light is an electromagnetic wave. B says the prism has all the colors of white light. No, okay, and this is also no. C says different colors of white light travel with what? Different speed in glass. Okay, so this is correct. D says white light has undergone total internal reflection in the prism. Okay, no, this is what? Wrong. Okay, I hope we remember white light, and when we're talking of white light is a mixture of several colors, and I hope we remember our Roy Biv. Okay, that's Roy G BIV, where red R is for what? Red, O is for orange, Y is for what? Orange, G is for green, B is for blue, I is for what? Indigo, and V is for violet. Okay, so definitely when white light is incident on a triangular glass prism, what happens is what is refracted through the prism, okay, and the various components of light travels at what different speed in the glass and are refracted along different paths, where red light is the least what deviated, okay, and it has the highest speed. All right, so let's say you have a glass prism here, all right, and you have white light coming here, you have one here, let's say you have another light, so, and you have a screen here. The least deviated of the color is what? Red. Why the most deviated is what? Violet. Okay, why is red the least deviated? Is because what? It has the what? Fastest speed. Okay, the speed is what? Very high. Okay, high speed. And violet is what? Has the lowest what? Speed. Okay, so that's why option C is correct, because different colors of white light travel with what? Different speed in what? Glass. All right, remember this is white light coming in here, okay, through the triangular glass prism, and it is what? Refracted. All right, and we have red as what? The least what? Deviated, while violet is the most what? Deviated. All right,